In India, tales of phantom trains echo through the ages, captivating the imaginations of locals and tourists alike. One of the most famous involves the train of Noida, which is rumored to glide through the shadows of the night without any physical tracks. Witnesses describe hearing faint whistles and seeing lights flickering in the distance, only to find nothing when they approach. Another haunting story comes from the abandoned ghost train in Maharashtra, where villagers share tales of a train that appears before significant disasters, leaving an unsettling feeling in the air. As each story unfolds, curiosity deepens about the mysteries hidden within India's expansive railways.